Hey y'all, today I am finishing up a couple designs. This particular one was one of my all-time favorites. This is the actual one that I want to say I made this one, woo, a few years ago. This was like one of my favorite fabrics. I can honestly say that it's absolutely one of the most comfortable headbands I've ever had. It is very soft, and not only that, it complements the blue absolutely well. And I'm going to try it on my homegirl. You know, this is my bestie right here. She always try on my stuff for me. Anyway, yeah, check her out. Hit that spin. Yeah. And that's pretty much it. And I'm gonna show her off one more time. I'm gonna roll it around on my hand, y'all. You know how I do. Twirl it around. Twirl it around.